Hello everybody, my name is John Callahan and welcome to another review. And I know it's been a while, but I figured what the hey. It's been a year since my first review. January something 2014. Yeah, I think it's 2014. And yeah. So then I'm gonna go away from all these hobbies for a while. And today I'll be showing you a neat little thing I have. My dad got me this a couple days back. It is a Swiss Army knife. I think this was used in like the let's think the 1960s or 70s in the Cold War. It's a neat little Swiss symbol right there. I don't know how good that is, but it's there. So anywho, you wanna know why I got this blue paper out? Because now I'm going to show you some things that the Swiss Army knife can do. I don't have a tripod for this thing because I'm away from Louisiana and I'm at my grandmother's house. Neat. A couple days later, she's going to be doing a garage sale. Sorry, this is just my phone. I don't have a tripod. I don't have a stand for this stupid thing. So then, yeah. First of all, we have this Swiss Army knife. There's a little keychain holder. Okay, let's start on this side. As you can see, it's a wine bottle opener. Or corkscrew. Secondly, it's this bit. Probably an automatic cigarette holder, I guess. Next up is a fingernail sharpener. Next up is a small. I don't have an idea what this thing is. If any of you are smart to know what these are, please let me know in the comment section below. And get back on that. I'll get back on that. And there's a screwdriver. I think a Phillips screwdriver. I don't know. Anyway, on to the other side. We have. Well, before we get to the big one, we have a. Oh, stop it, fan! Alright, sorry. We have some can openers. Yeah. Probably this one is used for like Diet Coke or Pepsi products. And this is used for like spinach or vegetable cans. Anyways, we pull out this. Oh, sorry, stupid thing. This thing is old, I know. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this thing is a pile of crap. And I mean a pile. Next up, it's I don't know if I can actually see it, but ooh, it's pretty good. It's pretty good if you're cutting up meat, I guess. And another thing before we get to the main knife is you have to pull this out and pull this. Neato. Before we get to the last part, I want to show you some cool stuff. If you see right here, pull this out. These are tweezers. Neat. You go on the other side. It's a toothpick. Probably my grandfather used this, so it's disgusting! Anyway. Now to the main attraction. It's a big fat knife. I mean big fat. You watch this. I know this thing is a little dull, but You get the idea. I mean, thank you for watching my review on this sweet Swiss Army knife. But before I go, I know I deleted Grind My Gears episode 3, but I'm gonna do a redo. So then, what's coming out is the trailer for Kung Fu Panda 3. I'm really excited for Kung Fu Panda 3. I've seen a sequel, Kung Fu Panda 2, but Kung Fu Panda 3, it's gonna be a pile of awesomeness. And also the new movie that came out, Jurassic World. I wanted to see that. Since its third sequel in 2001, the year I was born, that was my birth of loving dinosaurs. That was the golden age, baby. The golden age. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching. And punch that like button in the face. Like usual. And like a boss. So then, yeah, I will see you in the next video. Peace!